Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a seller account on Amazon. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to sellercentral.amazon.com. You should see this on your screen. Now, if you already have an account, simply log in, but if you don't have one yet, click on sign up. From here, as you can see, I already have an Amazon account and I can use that account to start this one. Once you're finished and making your account, Amazon will welcome you by asking a few questions. So, simply click on Get Started. After that, the first question would be your country name that you want to search for, or your country name. I am in United States. And then click on Save and Continue. Next is the business type, a state-owned business, a publicly listed business, a privately owned business, or a charity. It can also be an individual. Then save and continue. After that, Amazon will ask you for a valid government issued ID, a recent bank account or credit card statement, a chargeable credit or debit card, and a mobile phone. So after that, simply click here and agree and continue. After that, Amazon will ask you for your seller information, which includes your first name, middle name, last name, and all the other credentials written here. And then you would then put your billing statement, which includes your card credentials and your card details, and then your store details and some more verification. And once you're done with that, you've successfully created your Amazon seller account. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!